Hey, hello guys, Flash here of our video. Today we're going to discuss about a new cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain with the name Mozart Finance. This is something like PancakeSwap. You can swap tokens over there, and they also got a new token out, Viola. I've made a video about it 1 or 2 months ago, I think, and let's see the updates. So they have added a new token, Viola. It is right now at $10. So we can see the chart over here. It launched yesterday. We can see that it had a peak of $52 and people sold. Right now it's sitting at $10. So they have added farms and staking. You can get a APR of 53,000, Viola to BNB 55,000. So just click on here. 1 day, so the time frame 1 day, you're going to get 152% ROI. So Melody per $1,000, so it's going to be 144. If you want to add it to your MetaMask, just click add Viola to MetaMask, put in your password, and over here MetaMask will give a notification and just click on add token. I'm highly suggesting you guys going and following them on Twitter as well as joining the Telegram group. So if you guys want to buy any of these, you have to click on the exchange over here. It will redirect you to the website. Click on connect your MetaMask. After that, you have to connect with one of your accounts. Just click connect. It's going to view the address of your premium account. Just click connect. It is going to connect, and after that it's going to load every single token. So if you want to buy Melody, just click on select token and just type Melody. With Melody, put in whatever amount of BNB you want to swap. So let's say 0.1. click the swap, confirm the swap. MetaMask will give a notification. Just click on confirm. But if you want to purchase Viola, all you guys need to do is click here, type Viola, it will pop up, click on it, and right now put in whatever amount of BNB you want to swap, click on swap, confirm the swap. MetaMask will give a notification, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to notifications, and I'll catch you guys into the next one.